and Bingo dashed into the yard, tails wagging, ears twitching, shouting, "Look what I can do!" Bluey leapt high, spinning midair, landing with paws wide. "Ta-da!" Bingo gasped. "That was awesome!" Muffin and Socks rushed over, eyes shining. "Show us more! Could a simple jump feel this thrilling?" Bluey and Bingo lined up again. Bluey grinned wide, tail stiff. "Watch this next one." She balanced on one paw, wobbled, then spun in a circle, barking proudly, "Easy!" Bingo clapped. "You're amazing!" Muffin tried to copy, tumbling onto the grass. "Oops!" Socks laughed. "That was funny! Could showing off spark so much fun?" Bluey and Bingo raced to the tree stump. Bluey shouted, "First one up wins!" She scrambled quick, pulling herself up, striking a pose like a champion. Bingo climbed slower, panting, almost there. Bluey wagged her tail proudly. "I did it first!" Muffin crossed arms. "You're just too fast! Could competition feel this exciting?" Bluey and Bingo grabbed a ball. Bluey tossed it high, catching perfectly in her mouth. She barked proudly, "See that?" Bingo tried, missing, the ball bouncing away. Muffin chased it, tumbling, laughing, "I got it!" Socks clapped. "Bluey is really good at this. Could a ball game feel like a show?" Bluey and Bingo spun in the grass. Bluey puffed out her chest. "I'm the best dancer too." She twirled, ears flopping, tail flying, paws stomping. Bingo giggled, joining in, "Me too." Muffin and Socks followed, all spinning in circles until they toppled over, laughing, "That was crazy! Could Pammer turn into a dance party?" Finally, Bluey flopped down, breathing heavy, smiling proud. "It feels so good to share what I can do with my friends." Bingo hugged her. "You're amazing, Bluey." Muffin added, "And we love watching." Socks wagged, "Best day ever." Bluey turned to the camera, tail wagging. If you had fun watching, hit like, tap subscribe, and keep joining us for more games, laughter, and surprises with friends. The yard echoed with cheers, laughter, and happy tales. Could one day of showing off feel this unforgettable?